In this video, I'll show you how to answer phone calls and also how to control your music using your Beats Studio Buds or Studio Buds Plus, like the one I'm having here. It's absolutely the same exact thing. So imagine I'm wearing this in my ear. If you're receiving a phone call and you want to answer, you just have to press one normally on the button that is on the side of your earbud, located where the logo is. Like this. This way you enter the call. If while this call is outgoing, you have a second call and you want to take it, again, you just have to click once to take the second call. The first call will be put on hold when you do this. If somebody is calling you and you want to reject the call, you just have to press and hold about 2 seconds and you're going to hear in your earbud the call being rejected, and then you can lift your finger from the button. If somebody is calling you and you answered and you talk to this person and you want to switch between these earbuds and your iPhone, so you take the call on your iPhone instead, you can press twice on this button while the call is outgoing to switch between the earphones and send the call to your iPhone instead. Now, how to control your music using these Beats Studio Buds? Well, very easy. First of all, to play or to pause any audio that is on your phone, computer, or whatever, you just have to press once this Beat logo like this, and you're going to feel a small click. This is the button clicking and the song will play. To pause, press on it again. If you want to skip to the next track, you just have to double click this button quickly, like this. It will go to the second track. And you can do this multiple times until you select the track you actually want to listen to. If you want to listen to the previous track, you just have to press 3 times quickly instead, like that. 1, 2, 3, and you go back to the previous track. Now, how do you change the actual volume on this? Because they don't have any volume buttons, right? Well, let me show you. There's actually 4 different ways on how you can do this. And some of these modes are not enabled when you get them out of the box. You need to enable it on the phone. So let me show you what I'm talking about. First way to adjust the volume is to simply wear them. And once you wear them, you can say, "Hey Siri, turn down the volume," or "Hey Siri, drag up the volume." And this way you'll be able to adjust the volume without you having to take your phone out of your pocket or touch anything. You can, if you have an Apple Watch, you can also use the crown of your device to adjust the volume when you're wearing these Beats Studio Buds. Pretty cool. There's also the classic way on how to switch the volume, which is simply using your phone buttons up and down, or if you drag from your iPhone, from the top right corner, you're going to see an icon, which are your Beats Studio Buds here. And this way you can drag and up and down the slider. You can also switch the volume directly on them without a phone, without your voice, without an Apple Watch. How to do this? Very easy. Wear them. Let me put this in my ear. And now what you need to do, well, we don't need a case, is to take your phone that they are connected to, open the settings. Then over here, you should see Beats Studio Buds on top. If you do not see it, go on Bluetooth, press your Beats Studio Buds icon on the right side here. It's the same thing, and you'll get at the same spot. And then once you're here, go down, click on press and hold. And then you need to enable volume control over here, like that. And what does it mean is simply when you press and hold either the left or the right earbud, you can adjust the volume up and down. So if you keep press the left earbud, the volume went down, you see? Let me press the right side and the volume is going up. You just need to keep press the button on the side of your Beat Studio Buds and it will act like a volume button. This way, again, you won't have to use your phone or your voice to adjust the volume. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.